Tip number 1. Smile, even at strangers. Smiling reduces stress that your body and mind feel. Tip number 2. Slow down. When we slow down, we no longer feel like a slave to time. By slowing down, we give ourselves the space to think. Number 3. Say thank you. Gratitude is the simplest and most powerful way to acknowledge another person's value and humanity. To say thank you is something we all learned as a small child. Tip number 4. Give lots of compliments. Compliments make other people feel good and make others want to be around you. In fact, giving compliments is a form of leadership and influence because people love to be around positive people. Tip number 5. Dress nicely. Making an effort to dress well is important because it reflects your personality and who you are. It can also make bonding with like-minded people easier. Tip number 6. Wear perfume. Your perfume makes you feel attractive. The sense of smell is one of the most important of the 5 senses. Your fragrance will be the first impression as you enter a place and the lasting impression when you leave. Tip number 7. Observing and listening. Listening is itself an observation skill and is very important in the workplace. Improving your observation skill allows you to listen with more than just your ears and make better decisions. It also enhances the ability to interact with others and to respond in an appropriate manner. Be charming. Charming people are liked everywhere. The secret of being charming is simple. Make others feel important. Tip number 9. Laugh. Laughter is the best medicine. A good, hearty laugh relieves physical tension and stress. Laughter boosts the immune system. Laughter decreases stress hormones. Tip number 10. Wish people a lovely day. It's important to demonstrate respect for others and to create favorable impressions of yourself to others. When you greet someone, you acknowledge their presence. Most people do this automatically and barely notice they're doing it. If you like the video, don't forget to share it with others.